Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I flip $3 to $30. You can see here I had a balance of 3.02 cents and I had an opportunity on VIX 10 1S and another opportunity on VIX 75 1S, and it kept going up. It kept going up. $12, 16, 17, 19, 22, 22, 24, 25. Then I cashed out. Okay, and then I made a withdrawal of $25, and I left $5 in the account that I'm actually going to flip tomorrow, or if I get an entry on VIX 75, I'm going to flip it tonight. I'm gonna enter and then let it run for the night. And then now let me show you on the chart on how I found this opportunity and now I fully capitalize on it. Let's go. All right, as you can see here, we are on the chart of VIX 10 1S. As you can see here, we had an area of resistance right here. Okay, market came here, touch, and then dropped, came here, touch, and then dropped. And I knew that when it did that the third time, obviously it's going to drop again. But you don't just sell because the market is at that point. You need to go down in time frames to actually look for precise entry in order for you to flip. Remember, like if you trading a small account like $10 to $2 account, you really need precise entry, or else you're just gonna like if the market retraces a little bit, it's just gonna blow your account. So that's why you need to take your entry down to like the 15 minutes, the 5 minute, or even the 1 minute if you spot an entry. All right, so now let me go down in time frame. I'm gonna go down to the 4-hour time frame. All right, in the 4-hour time frame, I could see that price was bouncing around this area. See, 1, 2, like here it broke out, and then the next candle closed back in that consolidation, and then the third here didn't even close above, like just, you know, market left the pin up and then closed below. Second one closed below, and then this was the third touch. This is what I was seeing this morning. Okay, so then I went down in time frame again. This is the 1 minute time frame. Well, in the 1 minute time frame, you can see that we had 3 touches here: first touch, second touch, third touch. But in order for me to enter here, I need a precise entry. Okay, it's either like an M formation or a head and shoulder formation. Okay, so now let me go down to the 15 minutes. Okay, in the 15 minutes, you can see that there's like an MW formation. Okay, I've actually entered at the close of this candle right here. You see, this is like a super precise entry, like no drawdown, you understand? So as soon as I enter, the market just dropped. Okay, these are the type of entries that you need to look for when you're trying to flip accounts. But on this trade, actually my first entry, I ended up closing it. Why? Because I had this first, I don't know if you can see, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, I had this first M in formation right here. I don't know if you guys can see. You see, we have this up and market drop, then it went up again, then it dropped again. Okay, so my first entry was around this area. I was actually selling. I sold at the close of this candle, but then look at what market did. Next candle went red, left the pin closed. Next candle closed green. This is where you want to get out. Like, this is just a signal for you guys to get out because the market is not ready. Okay, maybe they're fishing for this resistance here before they can drop. Okay, so what ended up happening is I just waited for the market to give me the second leg, and then when I saw this engulfing candle, like engulfing pattern closing like this, I knew that we were gonna get some form of entry. Okay, and then when the candle closed, when I got this structure break candle, this is where I entered my first position, and I had my stop above here. Okay, market dropped, and then we had this move right here to, you know, take people out that had these stop losses really close to their entry. But me, I had my stops above here. Okay, and then the market dropped and then broke the overall pattern, which was the head and shoulder pattern. Okay, as you can see, we have the momentum candle right here. Okay, so if you had entered on the 5 minute time frame, you would have had this little bit of drawdown, but nothing big, and then market just dropped. Okay, I think this was my target.